Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Cash App connection issues. If you're using Cash App and you're having any connection issues in your Cash App, so let's see how can you fix. So the very first, you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. So after that, you just have to go back and then go for settings app, and here go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN, or if you find any connected VPN here, you have to try to disconnect with that. After doing that all, you just have to go back, and here very first you have to try to update your Cash App. So open your app store here, go for search and search for Cash App, and from here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Cash App, or if you find any pending update, try to update your Cash App. And after doing that all, you have to check your software update. If you find any software update here, you have to try to update your software, because sometimes you have any pending software update relating to your network, so you cannot use your network as well. And after doing that all, it will almost fix your issue, or if this doesn't work for you, you have to open your settings app again, then go for general, go for iPhone storage, and you have to look for Cash App here. Once you find Cash App, you have to select that, then select offload app, then tap on offload, then tap on reinstall app. So it will completely reinstall app on your phone. So if there will be any bug into your Cash App, so it will be fixed in this step. So in this way, you can easily fix Cash App connection issues. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.